Very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. As you can see, we are getting through the pre-match formalities and processes, the players coming onto the field for the usual fanfare and handshakes and so on. Conditions absolutely perfect. Temperatures are kind enough. It is an absolute picture under the floodlights here, and the match that follows ought to follow suit. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world, and boy does it add to the occasion. Well, there are plenty looking forward to seeing this, a capacity crowd here.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
So off we go then. So Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
Well, a player who's learned fast for me is Luke Shaw, a fullback who likes to involve himself in matters at the offensive end of the pitch, but he covers the ground with speed and a good work ethic, so I think he's coming on really well.
Okay, interesting. Played out to the right. Cavani. This could fall, goes for goal! And oh! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
How did we get here? 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 How did we get here?
wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. There has been a clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much-anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. Well, there are plenty looking forward to seeing this. A capacity crowd here.
Yes, Peter, it's a shame it's only a friendly, but then again, that may help us see a more expressive attacking contest. And I'd be prepared to settle for a clash of lesser intensity in favour of lots of flair, skill and plenty of tricks and a few goals. I suspect I've probably overstretched my level of greed here.
And we're underway. So, Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
I would go for Robert Lewandowski. As good a centre-forward with his back to goal as I've seen. He can turn and roll defenders for fun. And once facing his target, he has all the finishing skills that you could require.
Yeah, hard to see past him. He'll be looking to put on a show, I'm certain of that. Mbappe has a shot! It's their first effort on goal.
Yeah, on another occasion.
Always what you did, always what you said. Love is just a number going round your head. Yeah, it's just a game, everything's okay. Put it in your pocket for another rainy day. And it's always what you want and you always want a chance. Never gave me nothing but a cold hard glance. You're calling for some time, time is what you need. Needing me for nothing but the air I breathe. So show me the way, it may be delayed. I must stop, behave, I'm so sick of running away. Like a kid with a video game, spinning to the wheel on the words you say. Tell me all the things, all the simple things, all the little things that make it hard to touch my skin now. And is this what you want? Feeling not a rush, cold and simple pushing makes it hard for me to look now. I wanna be a dog, wanna be a dog, wanna be a dog, just like my father and my mother, but I don't really mind. I just wanna lie here with you tonight. Forget about the trouble. Show me the way, it may be delayed. I must stop, behave. I'm so sick of running away. Like a kid with a video game, spinning to the wheel on the words you say. Show me the way, it may be delayed. I must stop, behave. I'm so sick of running away. Like a kid with a video game, spinning to the wheel on the words you say. You can call it what you walk the line like it's there to choose. Yeah, just forget the wins, it's the best to use. Won't you follow me into the jungle?